We are pleased to show you the 2023 Bronco. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, black door handles, Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, compass, Ford Bronco, interior comfort, traction abilities, overall weight balancing, pulling power. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.